Hello everyone, let us see this question. Find the value of the expression cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 7 pi by 8. This is the question we have. Cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 7 pi by 8. Right, now we will do a small adjustment here. 5 pi by 8, we will write this as pi minus 3 pi by 8, and 7 pi by 8, we will write this as pi minus pi by 8. Right, now this is what we will substitute here. So this becomes cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus, now here I will write this as cos 5 pi by 8 to the power of 4 plus cos 7 pi by 8 to the power of 4. Now this adjustment here, cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus, here instead of pi by 8 I will write this as pi minus 3 pi by 8, cos pi minus 3 pi by 8 whole to the power of 4 plus cos pi minus pi by 8 whole to the power of 4. So the next step of this will be cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus this one cos pi minus theta is again cos. So this I will get as cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8, and this one will be again cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. So this becomes 2 cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus 2 cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8. Okay, one more adjustment we will do here. 3 pi by 8, I can write this as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Right, when I take the LCM and I simplify this, again I will get 3 pi by 8 only. So now 3 pi by 8 I can write it as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. That is what I will substitute here. So this becomes 2 cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus 2, here I will write this as cos 3 pi by 8 to the power of 4. Next step, this will be 2 cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus 2 cos pi by 2 minus pi by 8 whole to the power of 4. Right. Next, this becomes 2 cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus 2, here this is cos pi by 2 minus pi by 8. This becomes sin to the power of 4 pi by 8. If I take out 2 common, so I will be left with sin to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. So here 2 into this, I can write this as sin square pi by 8 whole square plus this I can write it as cos square pi by 8 whole square. Right, a square plus b square formula you can apply here. So 2 into sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b whole square minus 2 into sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. So this a square plus b square, I wrote this as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this becomes 2 into this complete part is 1. 1 minus 2 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. When you open the brackets, it becomes 2 minus 4 sine square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Right? Next step. Here, 2 minus this 4 sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8, I can write this as 2 minus 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. Right? So again, we know the condition, that is 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. So this becomes 2 minus sin, here a is pi by 8, right? So this is sin 2 pi by 8 whole square. This is 2 minus sin pi by 4 whole square. So this is 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. This is 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. So final answer. Hence, therefore, the value of cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. So I hope you got the solution here. Thank you.